Hello, this is VFMS News. Today we will be interviewing students about what bird type they are. But first, let's go to Raymond's place.
All sports teams are calling themselves their bird type. In case you like Barcelona, they play tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Renee.
And what's your bird type?
I'm 65% equal.
What characteristics do you have?
I really like to be adventurous in my risks.
What do you think the main, why are you an eagle? Like, why do you think you're 65% eagle and that's really rare?
I don't know. Because I'm always really serious all day.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Have a nice day.
Hi, what's your name?
Xavier,
And what's your bird type?
peacock, 35% peacock.
What characteristics do you have?
I'm always optimistic.
Why do you think you're only 35% peacock?
Well, I'm not actually only 35% peacock. I'm 20% eagle, 20% owl, and 10% dove.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, what's your name?
Ibrahim.
And what's your bird type?
Owl.
What characteristics do you have?
I'm wise. I guess I'm friendly. And
Okay, nice to know.